Hello, welcome to CJ English Club. Today we want to learn farm animals' names and sounds in English. Don't forget to repeat the words with me and also like this video and subscribe to the channel to send you our new learning English videos. Let's get started. Cow, cow. Sounds like cow, cow. Now listen to cow sound. Sheep, sheep. Sounds like sheep, sheep. Now listen to sheep sound. Horse, horse. Sounds like horse, horse. Now listen to the sound of horse. Goat, goat. Sounds like goat, goat. Now listen to the sound of goat. Pig, pig. Sounds like pig, pig. Now let's listen to the pig sound. Hen, hen. Sounds like hen, hen. Now let's listen to hen sound. Dog, dog. Sounds like dog, dog. Now let's listen to dog sound. Dog, dog. Sounds like dog, dog. Now let's listen to the dog sound. Donkey, donkey. Sounds like donkey, donkey. Now let's listen to the donkey sound. cat, cat. Sounds like cat, cat. Now let's listen to the cat sound. Rooster, rooster. Sounds like rooster, rooster. Now let's listen to rooster sound. Turkey, turkey. Sounds like turkey, turkey. Now let's listen to the turkey sound. Llama, llama. Sounds like llama, llama. Now let's listen to the llama sound. Goose, goose. Sounds like goose, goose. Now let's listen to the goose sound. Rabbit, rabbit. Sounds like rabbit, rabbit. Now let's listen to rabbit sound. Camel, camel. Sounds like camel, camel. Now let's listen to the camel sound. Ostrich, ostrich. Sounds like ostrich, ostrich. Now let's listen to ostrich sound. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Please subscribe to the channel to send you our new learning English videos. Bye.